Hey y'all, I know it's been a while, but we just gonna pretend like I never left. So I have a little video for y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Gonna be real sweet, simple, and straight to the point, and that's about it. Hey y'all, so the other day this happened. Now I don't know what type of sorcery this man pulled, because he did not hit only one but two raffles, and that just don't make sense to me. But being the real one that he is, he allowed me to unbox this for my channel, and I guess that's what I'm just gonna have to settle for and do, unbox and read you guys all these lovely product details and give you another look at the shoe. So sit back, relax, have a good look, and that's about it. Off-White Dunk Low Deer Summer 250 maintains a standard white leather upper with soft gray canvas overlays and hints of vibrant blue and orange. Additionally, the design features a secondary lacing system and other remnants of Abelow's 2019 Dunk Low, including an exposed foam tongue, a plastic zip tie, and printed Helvetica text. A 2 of 50 badge appears affixed on the shoe's lateral midsole.